Unfortunately, many parents find themselves in the situation where they learn that their child has been charged with a crime while they're away at school. If that happens, parents must know that you have to contact a qualified attorney as soon as possible because that student faces serious consequences. Not only can they face the consequence of being incarcerated or having to pay fines and costs in that criminal case, but they could also face serious repercussions as students if they are convicted of those crimes. Parents have to be aware that when their child who's a student is facing any kind of criminal charge, that there could be many repercussions that they don't think of. Of course, a criminal charge could carry with it a period of incarceration in jail or prison, potentially fines and costs, potentially probation. But what a lot of people don't think about is that if you are convicted of a crime, you may be put on probation or expelled from your institution of higher education. Students also have to be cognizant that if they are convicted of a crime while they're a student, that it could prevent them from enrolling in a different institution, either to continue their degree or to seek a higher degree. So students who are looking at law school, potentially other graduate programs, medical school, they have to be very, very careful on proceeding when criminal charges are about. I've seen numerous students charged with a number of different crimes. Parents should talk with their children before they head off to school and should specifically discuss with them the laws surrounding minors and alcohol. And now in Michigan, we also have minors who have easy access to recreational marijuana. It's still legal to use if you're under 21. We also see young people being charged with crimes such as larceny, destruction of property, and other, what we would sometimes consider petty crimes. But even the pettiest of crimes, if there is a conviction, can have long-lasting repercussions for that student. We often think of crimes such as minors in possession of alcohol, minors in possession of marijuana, petty crimes such as larceny and destruction of property being associated with acts of students. But we also have to be cognizant that there's other serious crimes that could be charged, including sex crimes for things such as urinating in public. Parents have to have this hard discussion with their children before they go into that situation where alcohol may be freely available to them and where other circumstances could put them in jeopardy. And I always recommend that parents sit down and have that very serious talk with their children before sending them off to school.